I'm Tony Curtis, and along with fellow PEN Cymru writers, I'd like to offer support to Salman Rushdie at this difficult time. Rushdie has stood for and still stands for the principle of free speech, and one has to support that. This is what he says about it. Nobody has the right to not be offended. That right doesn't exist in any declaration I've ever read. If you're offended, it's your problem. And frankly, lots of things offend lots of people. I can walk into a bookshop and point out a number of books that I find very unattractive in what they say. But it doesn't occur to me to burn the bookshop down. If you don't like a book, read another book. If you start reading a book and you decide you don't like it, nobody's telling you to finish it. To read a 600-page novel and then say that it has deeply offended you, well, you've done a lot of work to be offended.